Kamusta? So today, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ka-team ko at dahil today is a Dragon Boat Day. So, yan nga pala yung mga ka-team ko sa Dragon Boat. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Dragon Boat competitions dito sa Okinawa. So, tara, samahan niya ako. So, ayan, malapit na kami sa Naha kung saan ginaganap ang Dragon Boat Race. And every year, sikat na sikat to para sa mga Japanese at isa to sa mga competitions na talaga pinupuntahan ng mga turista. So, ayan, first time kong sumali sa Dragon Boat and tara! Hi guys, so today is Dragon Boat Race. So, nandito kami sa terminal kung saan gaganapin yung Dragon Boat. Sa likod ko makikita nyo sa terminal na yung bus. May mga rides pang kids. Tapos may mga kainan doon. Mamaya dadalik ko kayo doon. And this is my team. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero susunod lang ako sa kanila. So, nung bata ako, mahilig ako manood ng Dragon Boat. So, nandito ako sa Okinawa, naghahanap sila ng mga players na gusto sumali. Kaya sumali ako. Siguro mga 2 months din yung training, 3 months. Tapos, ngayon, May 5, ngayon gaganapin yung first Dragon Boat race. At madami daw itong racing. Actually, hindi lang isang beses gaganapin. Marami pa hanggang June pa, parang ganon. So, I'm so excited. Siyempre, hindi man ako professional, no? Pero, yung experience, tapos yung gagawin mo yung best mo. Kahit hindi manalo, okay lang. So, at least na-experience mo. Tsaka sabi ko sa sarili ko, pagpunta ko sa US, gusto ko mag-join pa rin ako ng Dragon Boat. Good exercise din siya, no, for cardio. So, tara, sundan natin yung team ko. I'm excited. That's the other team. Hindi ko alam kung ilang team, pero alam ko madaming team. Good luck, guys! Kaka-excite? Look at that. Kitty na Shogun. Ah, it's my name! So, ito yung tent namin. So, ayan yung mga teammate ko. Tapos, ayan yung mga ibang teams. O, ay, nakaka-excite. Naiyak ako, gago. Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako. Wala kasi si Tay. Ayan. That's my team right there. Actually, ayan. Tapos makikita mo may mga family din. Tapos, may team doon, may team doon, may team doon. Tapos, may team doon, may team doon. So, ito yung tent namin. So, ito yung mga ka-team ko. So, nagdala sila ng mga pagkain. Ayan, piniprepare nila yung mga pagkain. Ang cute kasi parang pamilya-pamilya ganon sa isang team. Dapat pala nagdala ako ng alcohol. Ah. Hi! That's our coach.
Google Translate or a Japanese friend. So while I have your attention, a couple of quick announcements. No practice on Monday, it's kind of a given. After this, we'll start up our summer season. And since most of you are here right now, I would like to introduce our
Hi, baby ko. Hi, are you excited for your race?
So many people, yes.
Yeah.
That's my team.
Yeah, I see the bus.
They
I
actually
recognize the
like,
shirt.
where's your husband? I said, in US. And they said, you're
You
alone, you don't
said,
have supporters. I said, he's in my heart anyway.
yeah, very good.
Let's,
I'm gonna say I am in your heart.
I got a braid in my hair.
Yeah, I see the bus. Whoa, you look fierce. You
Boso.
look ready to kill. Yeah. Are you walking around to intimidate your opponents? Giving them mean look? Are you walking around intimidating your opponents? Giving them mean look? You sit there and stare at them? And they look around and you still staring at them?
I
Yeah.
think we're gonna start in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? I'm nervous. I feel like I have a tummy sick.
Oh, very good.
I think it's 70. 70 team. How's your sleep? Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I sleep pretty good. I
What
want to
time is
sleep
it there
more, but I
now?
sleep pretty good. Enough?
What time is it there now?
Yeah, a little after 7. Yeah, 7:30.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah, I was taking a video. I'm kind of sad because everybody's with their families and husbands, and I'm alone.
Oh,
I was like,
here you are
oh,
with your
I was like,
husband, Daba.
yeah, but you're not here, diba? But it's okay.
Oh, it looks so exciting, huh?
It's so many people, but I don't really feel
Yeah.
like being socialized, no.
Yeah, at least actually kind of lucky you're not, or I am not there with you in person, Daba. Because
Why?
for sure I cheer you on, so obnoxious and embarrassing. Diba?
Diba?
I'm gonna stand on the wall and go, Ivy! You fucking kill him, Ivy! Fucking murder! Fucking send that fucking boat! Ah, boy, that's
Well,
my wife over
of course
there.
you're
She's
not gonna
beating
do
yours.
that. Of
I'm
course you're not gonna do that.
gonna be screaming in some guy's face, like my
You
nose to
know,
his
you know
nose.
what I
I'm gonna
forgot?
be like, my wife is better.
I forgot to bring
What?
a energy drink, the workout gym. Oh, my coach is saying something. My love, I will call you later. I'll talk to you later after the race, huh? I'll send you
Okay.
pictures, huh?
Aye, you
We're
better,
getting,
Daba.
I think we're gonna get ready, prepared. I'm
Okay,
nervous,
po.
though.
Ah,
Love
feel
you.
the nervous. It's good to feel the nervous. That'll be your energy.
Huh?
Mwah. Feel the nervous. It's good to feel the nervous. That'll work
Okay.
as your energy powder, Daba.
But I don't have an energy powder, nga.
No, no, that's what your nerves are. It's
Okay.
adrenaline. Yeah.
Okay, they're
Oh,
stretching my
very
love
good.
ko. I love you. Bye-bye.
Love you, po. Mwah.
So this is my team, guys.
This is your thing.
My team. My team.
Okay.
Going to watch Lady Shogun. Puro babae, pero katim din namin. Kami kasi mix.
Are you an influencer?
Yeah, in the Philippines, but my YouTube just got monetized, but I'm too lazy to create content, you know?
Fair enough. What's your primary audience?
Filipinos?
Do you do style, beauty, fashion? What's your thing?
Actually, mostly people know me from giving a life advice because,
Okay.
and also some before. Right? Why do I need to wait for everybody to? So we're here. Oh my God, there's so many people, huh?
Yes.
So ito yung Lady Shogun. So sila yung puro girls lang sa Kadina.
Let's go, lady! Woo!
I think they're gonna win. I have a feeling. I have a feeling they will win.
prepared, huh? Look at the color and stuff. It looks nice.
Yeah, their colors are always yellow and navy. They're always
Blue
yellow.
and yellow.
We're watching and supporting Ganito. Show God, ladies.
Are they standing?
The first few people of the Navy are, and Army is.
Yeah, but they're standing. No?
And Navy is, yeah.
Oh, why?
It's for a more powerful start.
Why we don't?
Because you need to actually practice doing that because you have to go from that into a seat.
Deep.
So you stand and then you...
Magre-race na, guys. So, yung nasa gitna, yun yung ka-team namin pero puro babae. Ah! Lady Shotguns! Kita niyo sa kabila, mga nakatayo sila. Kanya-kanyang diskarte. Oh my God! Come on! Oh my God, the army. Oh my God, the army! It's so fast! Woo! Oh my God, that's a good technique, huh?
They haven't sat yet. Maybe. Oh, there we go.
This is fun.
Look at us.
Woo!
Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, all together on this first. Space Force.
Don't forget about your dirty hat.
Say hi.
Tiffany Ring.
So it's our turn soon. I'm nervous and excited. I'm excited and nervous. Kami nasusunod. Guys, kami na! Oh my God! Diyos ko pa! Ang puso ko. Hi guys, so tapos na ang aming Dragon Boat competition. Umiinom ako kaya medyo lasing ang itsura. So, yun lang. Hindi ko na napakita masyado yung hindi ko na masyado napakita yung mga sa paligid. Love you, bye-bye. No. Sige, lasing ako.
Yes? Picture, picture! Hey!
Arigato! So, guys, pangalawa kami. Oh my God. Hi guys, so ngayon, tapos ng aming race. So, uuwi na kami ng mga team ko pabalik sa base. So, ayan, nagliligpit na sila. This is me. So, thank you for watching. I'm so happy today kasi na-experience ko sumali sa Dragon Boat Race. And we're number 6 out of 29. Imagine that. Oh, I'm so happy. My heart is so happy. So I'm going to summer boat race. Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye!